Old school. Ty just got old school right. He got hump right with the pizza. So check it out, y'all. We about to try to get Unc right today. Unc come through riding good every day on his beach cruiser. This is Swin. You know his name about bike. You know this $1,000 bike, ain't that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's $1,000 bike. So his tire went flat. And we can't have him ride like that, ain't that right? We can't have him ride like that. So what we finna do is we finna try to patch it up. Now I ain't patch up a tire since I was about 10, 11 years old. My granddad taught me a while back. You get what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
But I do remember, so y'all see, I got my bucket of water right here. This bucket of water is what I'm gonna use to find out where the hole at. You get what I'm saying? So after I do that, I come to my patch and I buff the hole a little bit and I just put my patch on. I already done took the towel, so bro, I'm gonna need you to help me. I'm gonna need you to help me take the towel right here, cut the back already off, so you can just take off the top. I got the bite. Oh damn, we still gotta take off the other part, the silver part right there. You see it? Let's see. Get that. Yeah, we can't have you ride around like that, man. We'll get you right. That piece all right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you eat good. Damn, that one a little bigger, look like. Try to apply it. How long your top been going flat?
About a week now.
About a week? Oh, this shit gonna be hard to take off, man. Yeah, let's try the little one, man. Damn. I don't even know what that's on there for. I don't even know what that's on there for. We're gonna ask Cub on the other side. He's not using the plow. Yeah, y'all. So something holding the tire on, other than the two bolts. So we having a little bit of difficulties, but we gonna get it right. Like they said, if it ain't one thing, OT, what is it? It's another. Pop that bitch off. We got the love bolts on that motherfucker. Hey, Ty, see if you can get them boys over there. We're gonna try to get this off one more time, dog. Yeah. Tell her we need it one more time. Oh, he said this side was finished. My bad. Hold on, y'all. We coming.
We need another pair of pliers.
Oh, no, we got to get this screw out, y'all. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
It was, the tire came off, but they got like some
Oh, that little...
extra shit holding on to the tire. I don't even know what that shit on there for. Yeah, you can hold that bitch. I'm tired of hell bending over like that. Make sure we don't lose it. We'll try to put it back down.
Come on, folks. You good.
Yeah, but the tire's so hard. The tire usually is flat, so you can take out the tube. You get what I'm saying? So how I'm gonna get the air out of the tube? I think we need a pump. You got a pump, like a ball pump, bro?
I think we got an actual car pump.
Yeah, we just need something to let the air out the tube. I ain't gonna be able to get it out, blow it up like that. Yeah, that bitch. There you go. Grab the tire. Thank you, dog. Woo. Yeah. Now we try trying to get the air out of the tire, y'all.
It's this little,
Yeah, that little spot right there.
that little needle thing right there. I believe
If you push that on in, it
Right.
like release air.
Like that.
So I'm trying to see what kind.
Let me play with it. Yeah, we gotta let that air out of there. See? Let the tube pumped up.
I think I got some more in my car too.
I got some. Hold on.
There you go. It's coming out, y'all.
You got
Yeah,
it?
it's coming out.
Alright.
So what we doing right now, y'all, we letting out the air so we can put a screwdriver in the rim and pop the tube out.
Yeah.
If the air in the tire, we can't get the tire because it's too much. You know what I'm saying? It's too hard. There it goes. So now it's flat. So how you put the flat head side back on, bro?
I'll just side out. Like that.
All right.
You might want to get the other side. Sturdy, I think.
Appreciate you.
No problem.
So let me see.
Holla if you need me.
All right, dog. Appreciate you. So I remember he used to start right here. By the thing right here, he used to start right here all the time. So gonna try to flip it. So watch your fingers. Hell, my granddaddy used to do this shit so easy. He used to do it in like 5 minutes. He come right here and flip it like he's skinning a fish. There you go. Now let's see how we put a tube back. Put a tube back, OT. Think about this. My bad. I'm looking for the yeah. Alright, go to tube right here, y'all. Now we got the tube out. So now we gotta see where the hole at. We ain't gonna be able to find the hole like this. Right? So we gotta put some water on that thing. So I got my bucket of water right here. Now let's see if we can find this hole, OT. We gotta see if we can find this hole. So I'm gonna wet the whole tube. And I'm squeezing it while it's in the water. If you squeeze it, eventually some bubbles should come. But I don't see any bubbles, y'all. Where the bubbles at, OT? Gotta find the bubbles. It ain't right there. God damn, y'all. Y'all ain't tell me I was gonna have to work now. Right? Where the bubbles at, man? Oh, hold on. Let's see. I'm coming, y'all. I'm looking for the bubbles, y'all. Shout out to my granddaddy, man. He taught me how to do this when I was about 9, 10 years old, because I used to be running through so many tires. I ran through so many tubes to the point where I just went on and got a new bike every week. That's how many bikes I had, because their job, they used to throw away a lot of bikes, so I used to get them and bring them all home to me. So I had like 20 bikes. Everybody in the hood used to come get a bike from my house. I had a bike for everybody. Hey, bro, I need your help finding this hole, dog. I already can't see, man. Yeah, man. You
You took it out already?
Yeah, man. So it's good. We can squeeze. We all can get a piece of this bitch. Squeeze for real.
Or bubble. Put it on soap water, bubble up.
You want to put some soap in there?
That'll help it bubble.
All right.
Cause it ain't holding.
Yeah, it got to be a hole in there somewhere. Oh, do you think it was that spit in the top, bro?
Let me see. Take the inner tube out. I could probably get a better look at this.
And it's too out.
Yeah, he had it was actually like a whole gash in the tire. I'm trying to figure out where it went.
I'm trying to get you right. I should have squirted on the tube or in the water.
Hey, like, you know, the guy's out here looking in the water. Where the hell that gas go?
It's probably on the other side.
You can't miss it. It's
Yeah,
like
you couldn't
right
miss it.
around. It's like around this area somewhere.
So can you hold the bottom, bro? And I'm gonna squeeze at the top. Damn, y'all won't see no hole.
I'm trying to figure out what the hell is it.
Let's put it in the thing and see if we can find something. Damn, OT. Yeah, it ain't no hole in the tube.
Cold, too fresh.
It gotta be a tire. We saw a split in the tire. Don't see no hole in the tube. Like, we can even pump it back up. Uh-oh, Bill. Hold on, we got action.
It's a hole right here too, so it might.
I think the tires
Squeeze again, bro.
I hear it.
It's right here. It's by my
You
ear.
heard it.
It's right here by my ear. It's right here
I did.
by my ear.
No, they go right there. Right, see, they go bubbling up. Right there.
All right.
Right here, bubbling
Oh,
up.
yeah.
There you go.
Oh, money.
Yeah.
What is that? We got him.
Yeah.
Got you. What you need to come?
Now we gotta buff his ass up. That's a little old hole, y'all.
You good?
It's right on the line. Yeah, right on the line. Yeah, open them up. It should be like it should be like a rough buff up in that bit. I'm gonna squeeze one more time, bro.
This right here.
Yeah, yep, right there. Yeah, the actual like little hole. See like the little top. Nah, this part. So this the buff. So this the buffer right here, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see the hole because the hole is so little. The hole is so little, but it's right here by this line right here. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna dry it off a little bit. Yeah, please. I'm gonna dry it off a little bit. I got it, bro. Yeah, I got it. I dried it off. Now we're gonna dry it off. Patch it up. So we're gonna buff it. Buffing it up. Hope we get you right, OT, man. I really want to see you ride good, man. I want to see you ride good, man. I ain't did this in so long. I ain't did this in so long. Super long. Buff it up. Buff it up. Alright, bro. So now I try to patch them on up. The hole ain't so big. Yeah. The hole ain't that big, but y'all know with patches they expand. So we ain't gotta put the biggest one necessarily on there.
Oh, it's probably from the side.
Yeah, cause they
Oh, this is
expand.
big.
You gotta bust them open, bro. We gotta get you riding on too.
Yep.
You know how you ride, man. You gotta have you riding good, man.
There's a knife and I lost it.
You had a hoe,
A knife.
a nine.
So you gotta get it up.
Right. So this is what we gonna do, bro. Gonna double check. Double C, rubber cement. You can squeeze, bro. Put some more pressure on for me, so I can make sure. That's where that hole at. Yeah, keep squeezing. Yeah, keep on squeezing. Where the hole at? That's it. see something?
No, that's the whole. That's the only one.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
It's right here.
Yeah, it gotta be. Alright. Got the rubber cement on now. Put some on which patch you got? Put one, maybe just a little bit, just in case. I ain't gonna gotta do this no time soon. Yeah, that right there, that should get it out. OT, you done finished your whole piece already?
No, I just eat 2 pieces.
Oh, okay, okay. I was say, man, you eat like you got a worm in your stomach. You got a worm in your stomach, man.
Yeah. Got 73 years on me.
73?
Yeah.
You looking good, man.
Yeah, baby.
You looking good, man.
April 27th, I have another year on me.
No, thank you. Get some more on that, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Make sure that oh no. You got it. Oh no, y'all. Well, now. I'm trying to get you right, OT. Motherfucker ain't sticky. I did it right. Damn, man, my granddad used to do this shit all the time.
We gotta go the other way.
Oh, they say put the orange side on.
Yeah.
I think I probably gotta let the cement dry a little bit more, right? You gotta put too much on there. Probably gotta let them dry up, man. That right. Let a little wind hit them. Yeah, no. Get home. Oh yeah, that's rubber cement up, bro. I feel that shit in my hand big right now.
Crazy glue.
Oh no. How long we been on, bro? How long we been recording?
18 minutes, 15 seconds.
Alright, we good. As long as we trying to beat 30 minutes, OT. We beat 30 minutes, they good. So we gonna try to let it dry up right quick. Take some wind, some oxygen hit it. So you say you 71?
No, 73.
Oh, 73.
Yeah.
Still looking good, man. What's the secret?
Just keep going, that's all I'm doing.
Keep going. When life get hard, you go harder, right? You got a buffer, bro?
Yeah. You gotta plan it out.
Yeah, I just gotta keep on with it. Hold on, another. I hope that shit work. I hope it work, OT, man. Cause you know we tried.
Oh,
You know we tried, right?
boy.
So I hope it worked for you. If it don't work,
Right in.
when your birthday?
April 27th.
Yeah.
If it don't work, we'll buy you another bite.
That's 2202 tires.
Oh, matter of fact, we could probably just buy him another tire.
Yeah.
Cause I know you love your bike. Yeah, if it don't work, we'll buy you another tire.
Yeah.
If it don't work. We hoping it do though.
The old tire place right down from the Shell station down there. Sells tires, new tires, and everything.
All right. Yeah, we'll get you a new one if it don't work. You had when you got a pump, bro?
Still got one.
So now, we buffing that thing going out, y'all. Like I said, I ain't did this since I was about 10, 11 years old.
Yeah.
So it's been a minute.
Yeah, I never had a basketball when I was small. North Carolina. I come up here, and I've been up here since.
Y'all can see, just put the patch on.
Uh-huh.
Trying to let that oxygen hit it, let that glue get harder.
Yeah,
Let that glue dry out some more. You know what I'm saying?
okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's the water right here. We pull the water out
Yeah.
after the video. We're gonna try to get you back riding good. Try to get you back riding good. Ah. Try to get you back riding good.
Nah, I ain't got no phone.
Oh, Mark just pulled up. No, he got one. He back there in that. He coming.
And then
Yeah,
Camaro.
No, he got one. You wanna pump it up first or just gonna put the tool back in?
Should've put two, man.
Yeah, fuck that. It gotta work.
It would be easy to put the two with all that air.
Gotta work. Yeah, we gotta pump it up. Put it, yeah, so you can grab it. Did it wrong.
Let me add him to that phone. Yo! Hey, y'all got air pump?
Gotta let out some more air. Huh? Gotta let out some more air.
There's still too much air.
Yeah. You can squeeze it, please, bro. But you put it in the same way it came out. Alright, let's do it one more time. We should better squeeze that bitch in there now. Alright. You know what they say? You teach a man how to fish? No. You give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Right, OT? You teach a man how to fish, he eat for the rest of his life.
Yeah,
Ain't that right?
yeah.
Damn, y'all, this gonna be the hard part here, y'all. I'm gonna break my goddamn finger doing that.
I gotta get my gloves. And it's cold. Shit, hands like rocks. It's that delivery.
Ah, shit, y'all. I remember he used to do it, though, man. Shit. Be that hard, man. Yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with that. It is ass. You working? I'm gonna poke another.
All right, we about to put the inner tube in now.
Cut this bitch. Shit. Come on this side, bro, so they can see me. Right here. There you go. Damn, y'all. So I'm about to throw my back out, trying to put the tube in. We try to. Hey, bro, you busy over there?
What's
Man,
up?
we can't get this tool, man, dog.
I'm about to break my down.
We trying to get the tool back in, man.
Hey,
I would
should we
say-
take the whole towel
I was
first?
gonna take the whole tie off, then slap
Yeah.
the tube in that jump.
Okay. You know when some shit just ain't gonna happen. You know what I'm
Heck
saying?
yeah. Oh, I know. Let me see. Got
Yeah.
this side out.
I almost pinched my finger off.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's high. Stop on that jump.
There we go.
Appreciate you.
Now we gonna try one more time, y'all.
Yeah, I think I'm still trying to fight.
Yeah, you gotta get your tight, man. This shit ain't easy.
Don't know how to tie. I mean, how to end it to the lip.
No, I was gonna suggest some stupid shit. I was gonna say you might want to pump it up first, but then we gonna put that on top. What you talking about?
You have to grab that screwdriver soon.
This might be harder than that lame turf.
What?
Nah, that turf is hard.
That turf, we down there tore up a whole truck. That turf.
Ooh.
Yeah, we down there snatched the hitch off a whole truck. That damn show how you do it too, dog. Look at that. Think smart, not hard, dog.
Heck yeah.
That's how you do it.
That one going on.
Nah, 'cause we were wasting our time. We gonna break one of our fingers.
Oh, there it goes right.
I'm about to say, if anything, you just get the screwdriver here. Real, dog. That's just good hand.
I feel like as soon as we put air in the joint, I feel like it'll make it fit like right into
Oh yeah, it will.
right into place.
Yeah.
Show you, bro.
No problem.
Because if you wouldn't have just told us to take off the whole tie,
We're gonna try.
I was just finna cut the video. I was like, fuck that. We were gonna get him another tie.
There we go.
Bro.
Now we just gotta get the pump.
Pump over there.
All right, we're gonna walk over here and get the pump, y'all.
Appreciate you, bro.
You don't need these no more, do it?
Nah.
Just to put the tire back on.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, I hope it worked, dog. Oh, we can't do that.
I gotta hold that joint down. You gotta hold the towel.
You gotta pull that bitch.
Yeah, you gotta hold the top. Just hold the top for me.
I got you. Hold your hand back, yeah, so it don't. There you go. Just hold your hand right behind that. Is it on?
Yeah, it's on, but I'm saying like you got.
Hold on, I'm coming. Let me put this down. There I go. All right, do that. Hold it. I'll take you. Man, how you use this shit, man? They got all this new school shit, y'all. Yeah, we
I
tried.
think, man. How we know?
No, I think his tie gone, man. We tried though, y'all. Go again, pump again.
Nah, that's the air coming out. That's the air coming out this part. See what I'm saying? Is that the clamp that go on top of it? The logic?
Is it all the way
How we
on?
know how much pressure PCI?
Shit, until that bitch can't bounce no more. Keep going. Yeah, there you go. Keep going. I know how I used to ride my bike. Do it again, bro. Feel like I feel air coming from over here. Oh, nah, that motherfucker good. Go. Keep going. Fuck that bitch going.
Pop, bro. That shit good. He gonna hear a bump and pop.
Nah, he gonna be riding fast as hell now. He got air in that bitch. That's how you know when your shit ready, y'all. When you can bounce that bitch like that, That bitch ready.
Appreciate you.
No problem. The hole's still in there.
Nah.
Yeah, I can hear it. Let me see. Hold on. Oh wait, no, I can't.
Bro, you hand things.
Right,
No way.
We should be alright. Alright, y'all, we're trying to finish on up. We're trying to get him up out of here. We'll wait for you to set up, bro, so we can put the tight back on.
We good.
Yeah, we good right there?
Yeah.
Alright.
And I say, you don't make move.
Nah, you good. So here you go, bro. Yeah. Make sure. What time? Hold my. Oh, the chain on the wrong side. My bad. Not the chain, but the sparky. That's how you can be able to tell how fast your bike is. By the sparky. You got that little sparky like that. That means my shit gonna spin more times than yours, so my bike is faster than yours. You get what I'm saying, OT? Fuck did I do wrong? Okay. So now we gotta. Hold on, bro. My bad. That's on me. Alright, let's put it back now. Is it back? It look back. Alright, you wanna try to put it on? I'm gonna do this side. There we go. Fuck that. We ain't worry about that. As long as we got these two little nuts on. That'd be good. Yeah, fuck that. Hold these two nuts on. You know you left-handed, bro. Yeah, big problem. Yeah, right. Get them right, Terrio. Hey, get them right, Terrio.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Good. Alright, OT, let me see you ride off now. See you ride off, OT. Huh? Yeah, you good right here, OT. Let me see you ride off. If it give you a problem, bring it back. We'll put the ring back. You should be all right though. I want to see you ride off. Let's get it. Oh, there you go. You got it. All right. You see you ride on now, OT. Uh-oh, there you go. Get them right. There you go. There we go. We riding good, y'all. All right, now, OT. Spin it back round for me. Come back to me. Let me see how it's feeling. How you like it?
Oh, yeah.
It feel good?
That's all I need.
Okay. He said that's all he needs. All right, y'all. There y'all have it, man. We just patched up OT Ty. He good now. Him and his Bugatti back on the road. So we all right. It took us a little minute, but we got the job done.
Okay.
There go your pizza right there, man.
That puts right in there. Okay.
There go your pizza. All right, dog.
Okay, I'm sure, thank you.
All right.